In today's video, I'm going to teach you build a free website with Google Sites for beginners. Let's start by heading to Google Sites in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can create and save your work. When the site's home screen opens, you'll see options to begin a new site. This is your workspace where every change saves automatically, so you can explore confidently without worrying about losing progress. If you want complete control over the layout and design, choose the blank option. This opens a fresh canvas with a simple default theme. At the top, rename your site so you can easily find it later. Click into the header area to add a clear page title that tells visitors exactly what the page is about. On the right, you'll find the Insert, Pages, and Themes panels. Use Insert to add text boxes, images, buttons, dividers, and pre-built section layouts. Drag items exactly where you want them, and use the blue guides to keep spacing clean. The Pages panel helps you add additional pages like About or Contact and organize your navigation. Under Themes, pick a style, then adjust colors and fonts so everything looks consistent. As you build, keep paragraphs short, use headings to break up content, and choose high contrast colors for readability. If you prefer a faster start, open the template gallery and select a template that fits your purpose, such as a portfolio, event, or small business layout. Templates come with ready-made sections, so you can replace placeholder text and images with your own content. Walk through each page and make sure every block reflects your voice and information. Remove sections you don't need to keep things focused, and update any buttons so they point to the right pages or external links. Templates are fully editable, so you can still switch themes, tweak colors, and rearrange sections to match your style. Once you've chosen blank or a template, customize your website to your preference. Refine the header image to something on brand, and add a short, benefit-focused tagline. Build clear sections, like services, testimonials, or a gallery, using the layout cards in the Insert panel. Add buttons for key actions such as booking, emailing, or viewing a menu. In the Pages panel, organize navigation so the most important pages are easy to reach, and consider using a simple top navigation for a clean look. Keep images optimized and labeled, and align elements so everything feels intentional. When your content looks polished and consistent, you've successfully built a free website with Google Sites.